Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you know this video was helpful for you. So I'm here to talk about to break out the secret of having a big leg. First, you have to do my warm-up squat. This exercise actually affects your legs properly, so you aren't gonna have some muscle soreness on your legs, and that you have to do a warm-up set before you have to warm and before you actually do a working set, so you can't end up having a muscle soreness on your legs. So first we have to do like 10 sets, 10 reps of 3 sets of this warm-up before we get into a working set. Okay guys, this is the third warm-up. Let's keep it going. Definitely guys, we are getting to the first set of working sets, so let's get this going. Lightweight baby. Yep. Yeah, this is the second set of working sets, so let's go baby. Lightweight, yeah buddy. So guys, we finally get to do the second workout. It's called dumbbell leg walk. This affects your legs properly to actually stretch out the muscles and bring it close together. So you have to bend your knees backwards and keep on moving, as you can see displaying on your screen. Sorry guys for the dog disturbing me right now. I was sorry. Sorry guys for the dog walking. Thank you for watching.